Go, less than 5. And they're off. Wayne gets the whole shot. Out front, followed by Keith. Then Rick. Your race leader is that all pink truck, followed by Keith in that green number 14. Rick in the black number 2. Those are your top 3. Your race order: Wayne, Keith, Rick, Kevin, Ron, Chuck, Zach. What's your racing order on the track? Watch out in front of the driver's stand. All clear. Once again, your race leaders, that all pink truck, followed by Rick, Keith, Kevin, Ron, Chuck, and Zach. Number 2 truck is the black number 2 out on the track. Closest battle between that second, third place between Rick and Keith. That's the battle on the track, that black number 2 and that green number 14. Looks like Kevin's trying to make his way up to the top 3 and mix it up for a trophy today. He's in the number 12 blue truck. But the race leader is that all pink, number 18, putting a lap on most of the field. The battle on the track is for that second position right now, between the number 2 black truck and the number 14 green truck. We'll see if Keith can make it up. Rick and Keith are on the track, 1, 2, and 3. That's that black number 2, green number 14. That's a good battle on the track. First place truck is coming up behind him to lap him. That pink truck is your first place truck.
1 minute left.
1 minute left to go. Order hasn't changed. Your top 3, Wayne, Rick, Keith, followed by Kevin, Ron, Chuck, and Zach. Left to go. We've got Kevin coming up on Keith, see if he can pass for that third place spot. He's just a tick faster each time around. He may have some time to get up there. 20 seconds left to do it, but right now your race leader is that pink truck, running a 53 lap pace, followed by Rick in that black number 2. Third place goes to Keith in the green 14. Kevin is right on his rear bumper. He's got 8 seconds. He's going to make something happen. He's got to do it soon. 5 seconds left to go in the race. That's for the third position right there. They're coming around. They're still racing. All right, looks like everybody is done. That's the last lap. Kevin does take that spot away.